Hello friend, it's Christmas season and holidays and we have this irresistible simple fried chicken recipe for you to try at home. Instead of you heading out to your favorite restaurant, which you can prepare this within a twinkle of an eye at home. Going straight to the point, in order to make your holiday movie nights and Christmas parties a talk of town, with this fried chicken recipe, all you need as ingredients for ultimate southern fried chicken is this: 1 cup of King's chicken fry, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 8 pieces of chicken or more, then our vegetable oil for frying. With all these ingredients, how do you go about it with the mixture? First of all, make sure to preheat the oil on medium to high heat. Secondly, whisk your egg and buttermilk together in a bowl. Thirdly, take a medium-sized bowl and add King's chicken fry to it, or even more if needed. Fourthly, dip your chicken pieces in the wet mixture properly and also into the dry fry mix. Then shake off the excess and set it aside on a separate plate. Repeat this step 4 if you want extra crunchy fried chicken, okay? All depends on your taste and choice. After that, you can now deep fry in a skillet until it becomes golden brown. You can now serve it with your favorite sauce and enjoy your ultimate southern fried chicken. That is that. All you need is to follow this instruction and be sure to impress yourself, family, friends, and guests as you enjoy the holidays together. Hope this was helpful. Let us have your comment in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to join us for more healthy and yummy recipe for you in this channel. And your health too is our priority. Much love. Cheers for watching up to this point, and also help us to share out this recipe, okay? Thank you.